Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is true and is believed to be true, said that the sperm of one of you remains combined in the womb of his mother for 40 days. Then it remains as a clot of blood for a similar period. Then it is kept in the form of a lump of flesh for a similar period. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu dispatched an angel who is commanded to do four things, and he is ordained to write his deeds, his provision, death, whether he is wretched or blessed. Thereafter life is imbued in him. So someone of you performs good deeds till there remains a distance of only a cubit between him and paradise. But then what has been destined for him overcomes him, and he starts doing deeds of the denizens of hell. And some of you performs actions of the denizens of hell, till there remains a distance of only a cubit between him and hell. But then what has been destined for him overcomes him, and he starts doing the deeds of the people of paradise. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3208.